At the end of your trial, the judge will give some directions on what will happen next. Sometimes the judge will ask the parties to file post-trial briefs. The judge might allow the parties to make oral arguments after the trial or file what is called memoranda of authority on specific issues that came up during the trial. Other times, the judge will not ask for any additional information or argument. And sometimes, the judge decides the case on the same day as the trial or during the trial session. When this happens, the judge issues what is called a bench opinion, telling the parties how the case has been decided. If the judge does not issue a bench opinion, the judge will return to Washington, D.C. and review the testimony and other evidence in the case before writing an opinion.
Once the opinion is written, the court will mail the opinion of the judge to both parties. The same day the opinion is mailed to you, the tax court posts the opinion on its website. You might receive a call from someone at the court letting you know that the opinion has been posted. For more information on settling a case after trial but before the judge issues an opinion, please refer to the website or the packet of information you received. Check out Frequently Asked Questions.
The judge might decide that you win the case entirely, or that the IRS wins the case entirely. In some cases, each side wins and loses part of the case. Once the judge issues the opinion, the IRS attorney will recalculate the amount of tax and determine the proper tax liability, using the facts as decided by the judge.
The IRS attorney will send you a copy of the revised calculation and proposed decision document and give you the opportunity to check the numbers. If you agree with the calculation, you and the IRS attorney should sign the decision document. It will then go to the judge for signature. If you disagree with the calculation, there are procedures for resolving that with the court.
The judge's decision focuses on the correct amount of tax. Any interest owed is calculated based on the amount of tax due. And remember, if the case was tried using the small tax case procedures, then the decision in the case is final and neither party can appeal. A few months after the decision is entered, if you lost some or all of the case, you will receive a bill from the IRS or a final statement if the result means you aren't entitled to a refund. If you win your case and are due a refund, the IRS will send it to you once the tax court case is complete.
If the case was tried using regular procedures, you have the right to appeal the case to the circuit court or the circuit where you lived when the petition was filed. And take note, you must file the appeal within 90 days after the court enters the decision document. Interest will continue to accrue while you appeal the case, unless you pay the tax.